Okay, here we are, chapter 17, the last chapter for the semester, marketing plans. This one puts it all together. At the end of this chapter, and actually at this point in time, hopefully you'll be able to have a good idea for all of this, but definitely by the time you're done studying this chapter and putting your marketing plan together, you should be able to answer these questions. How do we create a marketing plan? How do we put it all together and turn marketing thinking into marketing magic? And this is a review of what the first chapter was, only hopefully you'll have a better understanding of each of the areas. So the 5 C's: customer, company, context, collaborators, and competitors. In your marketing plan, you should include who your customers are, what your target market is. Something about the company. What context is it in? Well, who are the collaborators? And who are the competitors? STP, segmentation. What segment of the market is your product or your company or your brand? Targeting, who are you targeting? What's your target market? What does it look like? What's the demographics, the socioeconomics? All the details of your specific target market. Positioning, where are you in the scheme of things as far as the products and the substitutes? So your competitors, where do you stand? Are you a luxury product? Are you a bargain basement product? Are you in between? Where is your position in the market for your product? The 4 P's. Product. Remember, product is a good and service, or just service, or just good if you can find one that's just a good. More than likely, it's a good and service combined. Price. What is the price that people are willing to pay for the benefits they'll receive from purchasing your product? Place. Where is it located? Where can you purchase the product? And promotion. What's the marketing campaign look like to make people aware and entice them to buy? And that's the overview for chapter 17, marketing plans. And that's the end of the video lectures for this semester for this class. I hope these video lectures were helpful. And if you have any questions, always be sure to let me know via email or any type of communication that we've established. Good luck on your finals and your marketing plan, and I hope you have a great summer.